because of the earthquake that just happened. It's a traffic jam, and everyone is scared. This is not usual. This is not normal in China. We don't normally have this. I never even experienced this before. In my 17 years here in China. This is really, really bad. It's traffic everywhere. Normally at this time, the roads are still clear, and now it's jam-packed everywhere, side by side. This is not normal in Thailand. I think everyone is in a hurry to go home. So sad. So scary too. I don't know how can I go home now with this kind of situation on the road. God, it's so trafficked.